Hey guys, in this video, we're breaking down the 5 best spy cameras in 2021 for you. I've included options for every type of consumer, so if you're looking for a hide-in-plain-sight spy camera or a wearable spy camera that can record discreetly without drawing attention, I'll have the product for you. If you want more information on the most up-to-date pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 5th product on our list is the ehomful E17 body camera. This is our best on-body spy cam. There are many reasons you may need to use a spy camera, including recording any situation for security, safety, and for keeping a record of events discreetly. One of the best ways to do this is to use a wearable spy camera that can always be with you, like the ehomful E17 body camera for about $30. The ehomful is perfect for making recordings with total discretion. With its subtle, compact body camera design that clips onto clothing, bags, and more for easy capture, you can get the footage you need without worrying about it being noticed. You'll be able to capture 1080p video or 1280 by 960 resolution images and audio easily without detection, and its easy clip design allows you to film discreetly at any time. It also features loop recording, so when your memory card gets full, the newest files will overwrite the older files rather than just stop recording. This discreet spy camera is only 4.4 by 1 by 0.6 inches and weighs just 2.08 ounces, so it won't weigh you down. The black finish can be concealed on dark clothing easily, especially in front pockets, or you can attach it easily to bags and backpacks with its convenient clip. What's great is that the E17 doesn't have to be always used as a spy camera. It can even come in handy during meetings, so you can play back all the pertinent details. The battery can handle up to 3 hours of recording, and it's compatible with microSD cards of up to 64 gigabytes. When the time comes to extract your footage, you can simply remove the bottom of the camera and plug it directly into your computer's USB port, or you can remove the microSD and insert it into your computer with the included card reader for direct, easy access. The ehomful E17 body camera clips onto clothing, bags, and more to discreetly record wherever you are with a single push of a button. The 4th product on our list is the ONZPUCO Spy Camera Pen. This is our best spy camera pen. The ONZPUCO Spy Camera Pen is another spy camera that lets you record situations and surroundings without being limited to a fixed position, giving you the versatility to freely move around and follow the action with a discreet working pen for about $35. It can be tucked into the breast pocket of your shirt or jacket, simply held in your hand, or left on your desk, all without arousing any suspicion. It's ideal for on-the-go recording for professionals to take to meetings, presentations, and conferences. Plus, students will also like the versatility of taking it to classes and group gatherings. It's such a common everyday item that can be taken just about anywhere with you, so you'll never miss out on recording your favorite moments or critical situations. It records 1080p video, high-resolution pictures, and even audio, plus it's great that the spy camera pen actually functions as a working pen and even comes with 5 additional refill cartridges. It's dead simple to use. Just long press the top button to turn on, then press again to start recording, or double press to take a photo. Like the ehomful E17 body camera, the spy camera pen also has loop recording, and you'll be able to record for about 150 minutes on a single charge. It even has a sleep function when the camera is idle to preserve battery life. The USB port is cleverly hidden, and it's really easy to connect to your computer to view or download the video clips. In addition to the extra ink refills, you also get a card reader, charging cable, and a 32 gigabyte memory card, which is a nice bonus. The ONZPUCO Spy Camera Pen is a cleverly designed spy camera integrated into a working pen to avoid suspicion, making it ideal for professionals and students. The 3rd product on our list is the Divine Eagle USB Charger Spy Camera. This is our best hide-in-plain-sight spy camera. The Divine Eagle Spy Camera USB charger blends seamlessly into your home or office to avoid detection, making it a great option for subtly monitoring activities in your home or business while discreetly hiding in plain sight for about $40. The great thing is that besides being a fully functional 1080p spy camera, the USB charger actually works, so you can discreetly record while charging your phone and no one will suspect anything since it looks and functions as a normal USB phone charger. It's a great way to not only protect your family by letting you keep tabs on loved ones, babysitters, nannies, employees, and your personal property when left unattended at the office, hotel, hospital, or anywhere else, but just keep in mind that it doesn't have night vision, so it's more suited for daytime use. It doesn't require Wi-Fi, so it's really simple to use, and obviously, you don't have to worry about connecting cables or keeping the spy camera charged. Just plug it into any outlet or power bank. It would have been great to have Wi-Fi to enable remote viewing. However, if you're looking for a spy camera that you can view the feed from your phone, stay tuned for the WEMLB hidden camera clock coming up later in the video. The Divine Eagle can be set to 2 modes, motion or continuous. On motion detection mode, it'll begin recording the moment any movement passes the camera with 130-point motion detection. And on continuous mode, it features the same loop recording feature like the ehomful E17 body camera. so it can continually record, but the Divine Eagle can support microSD cards up to 256 gigabytes compared to just 64 gigabytes on the ehomful. The Divine Eagle spy camera is a perfect hide-in-plain-sight spy camera solution for those looking for an affordable, easy-to-use spy camera for the home or office. The second product on our list is the MingSung Camera Video Sunglasses. This is our best sunglasses spy cam. What could be easier than discreetly recording exactly what you see? The $60 MingSung Camera Video Sunglasses is a great way to capture high-quality video and audio without being noticed while being right in the middle of the action. Not only is it ideal for recording scenes, but one of the biggest benefits of the wearable spy camera is that the camera is not locked in one position like most other spy cams, so you can actually follow the action or people as they move around. It's also great for recording sporting events and outdoor activities for POV action, especially on sunny days. Its use is not just limited to outdoors. For indoor use, you can casually leave the spy sunglasses on the table to record meetings or workplace activities without attracting attention, even when you leave the room. To start recording, all you need to do is push a single button that is discreetly located on the sunglasses arm, and you've got hands-free video 1080p recording at 30 frames per second. The stylish, comfortable design sits easily on your face, and the lenses have UV 400 protection, so you can easily replace your existing sunglasses. If something occurs that you want to be recorded, you simply reach up and press the button on the side, and from that point on, it's all captured in the 32GB microSD card that comes included. You'll be able to record about 90 minutes, and when you're done, you can connect the device to your computer via USB for quick, easy viewing within seconds, or you can remove the microSD for direct access. Unfortunately, it only comes in one size and isn't adjustable, so it may not fit comfortably for everyone. The MingSung Camera Video Sunglasses is a fantastic discrete option that you can keep on you at all times for hands-free recording, so you'll never miss those vital moments. The first product on our list is the WEMLB Hidden Camera Clock. This is our best clock spy cam. The WEMLB Hidden Camera Clock is the perfect spy camera for leaving in your home or office in plain sight. Priced around $55, this camera clock even gives you easy access to your security feed from anywhere without arousing suspicion. The Hidden Camera Clock blends easily in any home and has a simple design that won't invite any suspicion. It captures 1080p video that can either be saved to an SD card or streamed straight to your phone wherever you are for remote monitoring. I really like that the Hidden Camera Clock has built-in Wi-Fi, which many spy cameras lack, so you can take immediate action when needed. It also has infrared night vision, which again is an essential feature missing on most spy cameras since situations don't always happen during the day in well-lit surroundings. It's an ideal way to monitor your office space even when workers have left for the day and the lights are turned off. With motion detection and push alarm, you'll be immediately notified of any suspicious movement at home or the office during specific hours that you can set. You can also set the Hidden Camera Clock to loop recording mode on the memory card, and it supports up to 128GB SD cards. With its dark black display screen, the camera lens is completely invisible, so you can be confident your camera will go undetected, and with its wide 140-degree angle camera, you'll easily be able to see the entirety of the room you set it up in, making it an ideal nanny cam too. If you want to keep an eye on things in your home or office while you're away, then the WEMLB Hidden Camera Clock is one of the better options. It comes with great features like Wi-Fi streaming, mobile notifications, motion detection, and infrared recording in a subtle, hard-to-detect design. Thanks for watching, and that's all for this video. If you liked this video and it helped you out in any way, please give the video a like and hit that subscribe button. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, I'll see you later.